Alright, what is up, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video on the channel. As always, thank you very much for getting involved. Please do drop a like, subscribe, and also get involved down in the description below if you want to get involved with our daily updates and our stock picks for this week. I think you'll want to go and check that out pretty quickly. So we're taking a look at today's stock market update. As you can see, Nasdaq futures waver as Trump's trade deadline expires, tariffs kick in. We have been seeing a little bit of selling off in the markets, obviously because of the tariffs that we were seeing. That's not NQ, that is gold. As you can see here on the S&P 500, we did have a little bit of a sell-off towards the end of last week as tariffs obviously took hold here, as you can see, but we have recovered since then and we are looking like we're continuing to the upside here quite nicely. And as I said in the previous video, it's probably going to be starting to make a recovery back towards all-time highs. I wouldn't suspect that we would see anything different than this, really, to be honest. As we continue our indomitable march to the upside, obviously a little bit of uncertainty surrounding tariffs on Friday, but recovering that downside and now looking like we're going to be heading back up. So as you can see, stocks wavered about the flat line as President Trump's sweeping tariffs hit dozens of US trade partners after a self-imposed deadline for countries to strike deals expired. You can see that basically the deal landed and then things have been a little bit up in the air since then. A little bit of chop for some stocks, but I think overall we are going to see, coming back to reality, coming back to the upside. Overall, I don't think we're going to be suffering for too long, to be honest. As you can see, we are already kind of V-shaping back up from this drop to the downside, as you can quite clearly tell. So a little bit of individual stock market stock analysis. You can see Tesla stock fans. The next big Tesla catalyst could be coming in September. You can see here Tesla remains in focus today after CEO Elon Musk said the automaker is training a new FSD model with 10x the parameters and a big improvement to video compression loss. Basically, we've got some more iterative improvements coming for Tesla. And as a result here, you can see that basically we're going to be probably having some more upside for Tesla. Recently, we've been having a little bit of uncertainty, a little bit of unrest. As you can see, if we look at the stock here, a little bit of uncertainty and unrest surrounding Tesla here. Recently, we have just been chopping sideways in at this bull flag, as you can quite clearly tell here. We've dropped to the downside, bounced back up, started chopping around, looking like we could break to the upside. By the way, if you want some more information around these kinds of patterns on the charts, please do go and check us out in the WhatsApp or the Telegram in the description, where you can get some more access to some more information about those from us. So you can see Tesla here been dropping around quite a lot recently, as you can quite clearly tell. But right now, I do think that, we're going to be getting back to the upside pretty soon for a lot of these, to be honest. We have got Nvidia at all-time highs. Tesla here chopping around to the side a little bit here, but overall, I would say we have got overall a really, really bullish market that's happening right now. Apple in a bit of a weird spot here as well. Overall, I think Tesla's going to be fine. It's just going to take a little bit of a while for people to work out of their system all of that potential weirdness going on with Trump and Elon Musk. Obviously, they've got a bit of a strange relationship at the minute, to say the least. Morgan Stanley upgrades PT on Nvidia from $170 to $200. Keeps the overweight rating. Obviously, this is good. Nvidia continues to grow to the upside. If you look at Nvidia's chart, you will see that it has been basically pumping to the upside like an absolute beast. Not really any signs of stopping here, to be honest. You can see we're basically just continuing to the upside really nicely. And overall right now, just looking like an absolutely indomitable force. Continuing to the upside, no notes here. And the last piece of news that we've got for you today, Meta, Microsoft, Google and AppLovin lead this breakout watch. You can see to kick off August, all these AI, as I've been saying for the past few weeks, these AI adjacent stocks have all been doing extremely well. See, Meta, Microsoft, Alphabet and AppLovin have all been doing extremely well because of their AI adjacency and also their really, really amazing earnings to do with AI as well. You can see they're all doing exceptionally well. And there's some other stocks here that are all AI adjacent that are doing well as well. Overall, I think the AI boom right now is really leading to a really nice move to the upside for a lot of stocks on the market. You can see Tesla has been lagging behind a lot of these AI adjacent stocks. Google here doing pretty well. Obviously Meta gapping up to new all-time highs, looking ridiculously incredible, to be honest. And you can see Microsoft, no explanation needed, absolutely insane earnings, huge gap to the upside, retracing back into this gap here. But overall, right now, things looking really, really good. I would say we're probably just going to be continuing to the upside for the foreseeable future. All this, I would say, uncertainty and unrest surrounding tariffs, I think, is probably on the back burner now. And we're just going to see how the rest of the week goes. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment, get involved in the Telegram or the WhatsApp down below so that you can get our stock picks for this week. You won't want to miss them. And I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.